The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stokes County, Watauga County in northwestern North Carolina, Ashe County in northwestern North Carolina, northern Yadkin County in northwestern North Carolina, Caswell County, Surry County, Allegheny County in northwestern North Carolina, Wilkes County in northwestern North Carolina, Rockingham County, the city of Danville in south central Virginia, Craig County in southwestern Virginia, Campbell County in central Virginia, central Buckingham County in central Virginia, Roanoke County, the city of Lexington in west central Virginia, Grayson County in southwestern Virginia, Franklin County in west central Virginia, Pulaski County, the city of Buena Vista in west central Virginia, Charles County in southwestern Virginia, Roberts County, the city of Bradford in southwestern Virginia, Tazewell County in southwestern Virginia, Botetourt County, the city of Lynchburg in central Virginia, Bath County, the city of Roanoke in west central Virginia, Amherst County in central Virginia, Appomattox County in central Virginia, the city of Covington in west central Virginia, Charlotte County in south central Virginia, the city of Salem in west central Virginia, Smith County in southwestern Virginia, the city of Martinsville in south central Virginia, Henry County, Carroll County in southwestern Virginia, Allegheny County, Pennsylvania County, Bedford County, Wythe County in southwestern Virginia, the city of Galax in southwestern Virginia, Montgomery County in southwestern Virginia, Floyd County in southwestern Virginia, Bland County in southwestern Virginia, Halifax County, Patrick County in southwestern Virginia, Summers County in southeastern West Virginia, Monroe County in southeastern West Virginia, Greenbrier County in southeastern West Virginia, Mercer County in southeastern West Virginia, until 12:30 a.m. At 11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Poplar Plains to near Gray Court, moving east at 190 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, Emergency Management. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Roanoke, Lynchburg, Danville, Blacksburg, Salem, Christiansburg, Buckingham, Boone, Bradford, Allegheny, Eaton, Reedsville, Martinsville, Bloomfield, Mount Airy, Pulaski, Lightfile, South Boston, Benton and Lexington. Prepare immediately for damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina. That is too many counties. Same thing with Virginia, and the cities are way too much.